Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today it's gonna be a tutorial about how to do zoom in effect in CapCut. So the first thing you have to do, open your CapCut and let's create the new project by go click this new project. And now we need to choose the video that we want to add the effects, and after you're done you just need to go click add. And now we already have the clip. Let's have a test first. So now to get a zoom in effect for this video, it's so easy. Make sure that this straight line is stand in the first part of the clip, and whenever you already put this straight line in the first part of the clip, you just need to go click in effects. And now you just need to choose this video effects. To make it fast and simple, go click in the search button zoom, and whenever you're done you just need to go click search. And now there will be appear here a zoom effect that you can use. So if you want to make a slow zoom, just go click this part, and you can also adjusting by double click on the same effects, and you can also adjusting the speeds. If you want to make it slower, just drag it into the left side. Let's see. And if you want to adjusting the range, like how large it will be after the zoom, if you want to make it larger or more zoom, just drag it into the right side. If you want to make it like smaller, just drag it into the left side. And whenever you're done adjusting everything, just go click cancel and go back and click this checklist button, and make sure that this also applied in the whole clip by dragging it into the right side. So let's have a final test. So that's the way how to get zoom in effect on a CapCut application. If you found that today's tutorial is useful for you guys, don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.